So friends, let's start with today's lovely swirl cookies. Now these are all my ingredients. Let me take you through the ingredients. Here I have exactly 200 grams or 1.5 cup of plain flour or maida. This is 100 grams or 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. 125 grams or 3/4 of a cup of butter at room temperature, 1 egg, food colors of your choice. This is 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. So these are all the ingredients. So let's get started. So I'm going to put my butter, which is softened and at room temperature, in a large mixing bowl. To that, I'm going to be adding my powdered sugar. So all I've done is just taken regular sugar, measured it, powdered it, sieved it, and we're using it now. So I'm going to whisk the two of them together till the sugar gets well incorporated along with the soft butter. So you can use a whisk like this, and it should get mixed well like this. Now I'm going to add my egg and mix it in well. Add the essence, give it a good mix again. And now I'm going to add the baking powder as well as the corn flour. So now we got to mix everything really well together. Now I'm using gel colors because the color really comes out really well with the gel colors. Now I'm going to add my plain flour maida a little at a time, and I'm going to fold it in now. And once that is done, our cookie dough is all ready. So now I'm going to divide this into 3 equal parts, and I'm going to add colors of my choice. So I'm going with pastel colors with yellow, a pastel green, and a pastel blue. So you can go with any colors of your choice. And mix the colors in well. So these are the colors I've got. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make small balls like this, the size of marbles, and I'm going to set them aside. Try to get even sized balls and try to get equal number of balls from the 3 doughs. So here I've got all of that ready, and I'm going to show you how to make these. So you're going to place them like this, each color opposite the same color, and then you're going to bring them together like this, and then you're just going to take them between the palms of your hands and just swirl them like this very, very lightly till you get this beautiful kind of a swirl design, and then just press them down. And now I've also lined a baking tray with some baking parchment paper, and I have also preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So once you prepare the cookies like this, so you just place the same color opposite, put it together like a flower. It should look like a flower. And then once they all come together, just put them between the palms of your hands and just very gently swirl them like this. Or roll them like this till you get this lovely swirl design, and then just press them down. And then put them on your baking tray. So I got about 12 cookies from the dough that I was using, or from the ingredients that I was using. So if you want more of these cookies, then just double the quantity or triple the quantity. And now my oven is being preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to bake the cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. We don't want to over bake them because we want to retain the color. And now you see the cookies are all ready. Let them cool down completely before you serve them or you store them. So you can see the design. It's a beautiful design, and because we've used gel colors, the color also comes out really well. So I hope you like today's recipe, guys. See you in my next one. Bye.
Friends,
I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.